Hello children, I welcome you back. This is now phase 2 of the chapter A Triumph of Surgery written by James Herriot. Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich woman, has a cute little pet dog, Tricky. One day the narrator, James Herriot, a vet, happens to meet the lady and her pet on the road. He finds him too lazy to walk and breathing heavily. The dog had also fattened beyond normal. Mrs. Pumphrey expresses worry about the dog's weakness. The doctor asks her about his diet and he tells him that she has been feeding him well enough. When he asks about his physical exercise, she admits that it wasn't much. This was all that we have read till now. Let's continue reading the chapter. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. So now doctor, who has met Tricky and Mrs. Pumphrey on the street, he has understood that Mrs. Pumphrey is not behaving seriously about Tricky's diet and exercise. So he gives her a severe warning and he says that you have to give more exercise to Tricky and you have to cut down food also. You have to keep your hard heart and diet should be very, very strict. Now, read the red line. Doctor is seriously concerned about Tricky. What did the doctor advise for Tricky's improvement? Answer is given. Okay, this question we've just now answered. I have given the word meaning severe. Severe means serious. Next, black part. Second one. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Herriot. I am sure you are right. But it is so difficult. So very difficult. She set off, head down, along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Now here we have to see one thing. After listening to the strict instruction by the doctor, she says, I know that you're right, but she agrees that to do that was very difficult. She could not be strict with Tricky because she loved Tricky so much. She could not be strict. Anyways, she puts her head down and she gets into the car. She starts moving along the road and it seems, अब देखो ये line note करने वाली है, as if she is determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. उसको देख के लगता है कि जैसे वो अभी के अभी जाएंगी, regime होता है system या rule, और घर जाके immediately ये नई practice का ये नया rule अभी start कर देंगी, जैसे उन्होंने डॉक्टर की बात पूरी तरह से मान ली हो, as if she has agreed and she has understood, even if it is difficult she is going to do. लेकिन सच्चाई क्या है? She will not be able to do and soon she is going to call the doctor. ओके सच्चाई ये है, इसीलिए वर्ड एज इफ आया. देखने में लगा नरेटर को कि वो अभी घर जाके सुधर जाएंगी, बट वो सुधरती नहीं है. रेड पार्ट. शी अडोर्स ट्रिकी. शी कुड नॉट पुट रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट मिसेस पम्फ्रे. हेड डाउन शोज दैट शी वॉज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट द नीड टू पुट ट्रिकी ऑन रिस्ट्रिक्टेड डाइट. हम सिर नीचे करके तब जाते हैं जब हम निराश होते हैं. वो इस सच्चाई से शी वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड दैट शी कुड नॉट हेल्प, शी कुड नॉट restrict so much for Tricky. I watched her progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. Now, जब वो दोनों जा रहे थे आगे आगे, I watched their progress with growing concern. He was watching them going farther and walking. तो ट्रिकी को उसने फिर से ऑब्जर्व किया. ट्रिकी वॉज टॉटरिंग मतलब शेकी, हिलते हुए चल रहा था, उसे ढंग से चला भी नहीं जा रहा था. कोट लिटिल ट्वीड, एक बहुत गर्म कपड़ा होता है, उसका कोट पहना हुआ था और ही हैड लॉट्स ऑफ सच कोट्स एंड ऑल वर इन अ वैरायटी. कोल्ड वेदर के लिए ये कोट, रेन कोट के लिए ये वाला कोट, रेन वेदर के लिए ये वाला कोट. तो ही स्ट्रगल्ड ऑन ड्रूपिंग और लग रहा था उसकी आंखें बंद होने वाली हैं, वो गिर जाएगा पूरा. इन हिज हार्नेस, अपनी स्ट्रिंग रस्सी लीश के साथ बंधा हुआ था. एंड लुकिंग एट ट्रिकी, डॉक्टर अंडरस्टूड कि देखने में तो लगा है कि मिसेस पम्फ्रे इज गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस द न्यू रूल इमिजिएटली, बट ही न्यू ज़्यादा देर नहीं, बस थोड़े दिनों में मेरे को मिसेस पम्फ्रे की कॉल आई खड़ी. तो डॉक्टर वॉज अवेयर. How can you say that Tricky was overly pampered by Mrs. Pumphrey? We can see she was saying it is so difficult and then Doctor was giving her such hard warnings. She had her head weighing down when she turned and she understood that she'll have to be strict with Tricky. This shows that she loved him so much, and she being strict with Tricky was not possible for her. Now the right side, character of Mrs. Pumphrey, she has a weak resolution. She is a very, weak in her decisions. She lacks discipline. She finds it difficult to be strict with Tricky, and eventually she will fail at it. We will see, because next page she is going to call the doctor to help her out. Author is not a person who would quickly say, bring the dog to me, I will treat him and I will charge so much. He encourages Mrs. Pumphrey. He deals with the thought process of the owner of the dog also. He is not only treating the dog, or he will not be only treating the dog, he is also treating the owner of the dog. So this is a very good plus point. He's a good human being. And then problem of plenty, again you can say Tricky has so much, he has so many coats, but he is so well fed that because of his own fat he could barely walk, and he is in a poor condition. His poor condition is in itself a problem of plenty. Next. The unexpected call came within the expected call came within a few days. As the doctor was expecting, this first word expecting shows the doctor knew his patient, the doctor knew his patient's mistress, he knew his patient's owner also, कि ये दोनों सुधरने वाले नहीं, ये मुझे बुलाएंगे बुलाएंगे. So he was expecting. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. She was deeply hurt. बहुत दुखी थी. Tricky would eat nothing. अब प्रॉब्लम और ज़्यादा बिगड़ गई है. Note the points. He would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes. He had bouts of vomiting. Bouts मतलब झटके से बहुत सारे bouts उसको vomiting के थे. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting. Panting मतलब लंबी सांस लेता हुआ. Didn't want to go for walks. इतनी weakness. Didn't want to do anything. अब यहाँ पर ट्रिकी को हुआ क्या है? First of all, the food that he is eating, that is two. Secondly, maybe his digestive system has given up. He cannot digest so much food. He needs a break. Thirdly, possibly because he seems to be having such low energy. Actually, हो सकता है he is suffering from indigestion. But on top of it, the lady, she is feeding him with malt, cod liver oil, Horlicks. These are difficult and highly sweet things, or maybe they have heavy proteins also, some of them. He is not able to digest them. That is why his system has given up. He is vomiting. Now Mrs. Pumphrey is scared that if he'll keep on vomiting so much, he will die. So she is desperate. She calls the doctor. I had made my plans in advance. Now doctor is also very wise. He had thought already कि जब अब Tricky के लिए फोन आएगा तो मैंने क्या करना है. He is prepared. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. अब उन्होंने पहले से सोच रखा था कि ट्रिकी को के लिए फ़ोन तो आना ही है, तो मैं बोलूँगा क्या? बिकॉज मिसेस पम्फ्रे, शी डज नॉट अग्री टू वॉट द डॉक्टर सेज. शी हर सेल्फ नीड्स अ ट्रीटमेंट एक्चुअली. तो डॉक्टर हैज़ डिसाइडेड दैट द ओनली सोल्यूशन टू दिस प्रॉब्लम इज टू गेट ट्रिकी आउट ऑफ मिसेस पम्फ्रेज केयर. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. So fortnight is a period of 15 days. And for 15 days, he says that I need to take Tricky to my hospital. The poor lady almost swooned. ये बात सुनते ही Mrs. Pumphrey शायद जैसे बेहोश ही हो गई. She was sure she would pine and die if she did not see her every day. उनको पक्का था कि अगर उन्हें ट्रिकी की ना मिला, रोज ना देखने को मिला, she will die. उसकी याद में मरी जाएंगी. Now, question for you. What did the doctor prescribe when he got a call from Mrs. Pumphrey? What did he prescribe? He prescribed that the dog, Tricky, should be hospitalized for one fortnight so that he could be kept under observation. Then, next we continue. But I took a firm line. A lady was fainting. She was crying. But the doctor said, I took a firm line. Now the doctor was very resolute. He was very firm. इसका मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड. एक बार जो बोल दिया, अपनी बात को बदलना नहीं है. एंड कंसिडर्स वॉट इज अर्जेंट एज अर्जेंट. उसने इस बात को पूरा अर्जेंट बोला, अर्जेंट ही माना, और बोला कि ट्रिकी वॉज वेरी इल एंड दिस वॉज द ओनली वे टू सेव हिम. और डॉक्टर सेड कि ऐसे ही बचेगा. इनफैक्ट आई थॉट इट बेस्ट टू टेक हिम विदाउट डिले. और उसी वक्त उसको ले जाना चाहिए. एंड फॉलोड बाय Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. पीछे मिसेस पंफरे चिल्लाती रही, रोती रही. She was wailing, but the doctor took the baby, the puppy, in his hand and marched out. He walked out towards his car, taking the dog in a blanket. अब देखिए लव फॉर डॉग और मिसेस पंफरे का कैरेक्टर. शी वॉज अपसेट ओवर ट्रिकीज एलिमेंट लाइक अ मदर. कितना प्यार करती हूँ उसको एक माँ की तरह. शी वॉज टू इमोशनल. शी कुड नॉट बेयर द आइडिया ऑफ सेपरेशन. नेक्स्ट. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, his favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. Now all the things were being brought and they were being put into the doctor's car. पूरा का पूरा स्टाफ ड्यूटी पे लगाया गया. मेड्स वर कॉल्ड एंड एवरीबडी वॉज टोल्ड कि ट्रिकी जा रहा है, उसके लिए these things have to be given to the doctor and he will carry all these things in the car. But because things were so many and doctor thought that his car will not be able to carry so much, he drove the car. But when he was driving the car slowly, at that point also, as I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. उन्होंने फिर खिड़की में से बहुत सारे कोट्स अपनी बाजू में इकट्ठे करे हुए अंदर को थ्रो कर दिए ताकि ट्रिकी को ठंड ना लगे. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. So Tricky was given such a hearty, you can say, departure, such a hearty farewell. They all bade him, and they all were crying so much. Wailings, loud screams, despairing, giving up, pathetic. Pathetic will come in the next paragraph. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal. अब देखिए pathetic means arousing sympathy. जो animal ट्रिकी बैठा हुआ था कार में, उसकी बड़ी pathetic तरस योग हालत थी और he was gasping on the seat by my side और छोटी छोटी सांस ले रहा था. He was sitting on the seat. I patted the head. मैंने उसके सिर पे हाथ रखा and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail and उसने अपनी पूंछ हिलाया. Poor old lad. You haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. अब देखो, डॉक्टर ने बोला you have no energy. I know that, but definitely I have a treatment. I have a cure for you. अब यहाँ पे cure for you मतलब क्या हुआ? अब एक डॉक्टर अगर ऐसा बोले तो obviously this means that the doctor is going to give him some medicines. But what does the doctor mean by this? What was a real cure? Real cure वो है that you will come to know on the coming pages. It is not any medicine, it is not any medical treatment. Yes, in this entire chapter there is no medical treatment given to the dog, but the name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. Surgery means medical treatment or medical operation. Let's quickly see the points on the right side. Problem of plenty. There are so many accessories for the dog and there are so many attendants and maids who are rushing and supplying these things to the doctor's car. Love for the dog. See, everybody in the family is crying, wailing, through so many things for his care. Even Mrs. Pumphrey also did all that. And Tricky is also quiet and sad. He also loves everybody. He is also very sad and quiet. For the author is a confident doctor. He knew his patient's case very well. He hasn't taken any medical tests or reports, but he knows what is the cure, the actual cure that the patient needs. And he empathized with the patient. He understood that the dog is sad because he has to leave his home. And you can see Mrs. Pumphrey's character. She says bye to Tricky with so many tears in her eyes. She is so sad. So let's proceed. At the surgery, अब यहाँ मैं आपको सर्जरी का मतलब समझा दूँ. सर्जरी के 2-3 मीनिंग्स होते हैं. सर्जरी is also the office of a doctor. So surgery is the office of a doctor, and second meaning of surgery is a prolonged procedure in which some body parts are cut or removed or repaired by using medical things. तो यहाँ पे at the surgery का मतलब है at my office. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around him. They all rushed around him because now doctor has come. He has so many his dogs in his own house. सो उसके जो अपने पाले हुए कुत्ते हैं, डोमेस्टिक डॉग्स हैं, जब वो देखते हैं कि डॉक्टर हैज़ ब्रॉट अ न्यू डॉग, दे गैदर अराउंड हिम एंड दे मे हार्म और दे मे ट्राई टू बिफ्रेंड, और कम से कम उससे जान पहचान करेंगे वो. ट्रिकी लुक डाउन एट द नॉइजी पैक विद डल आइज, बिकॉज वो बीमार था, उसकी आंखें डल थी. एंड वेन पुट डाउन ले मोशनलेस ऑन द कारपेट, उसको नीचे रखा. ही वॉजंट मूविंग बिकॉज ही वॉज सो वीक. नाउ वॉट विल द अदर डॉग्स डू? Other dogs came to him like a dog notices a dog. They come after sniffing around, उसको सूंघा for a few seconds, decided that he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. तो उन्होंने आके उसको देखा and they found him very uninteresting. मतलब कि ट्रिकी का लेवल दूसरे कुत्तों के लेवल से मैच ही नहीं करता था. उन्हें वो अनइंटरेस्टिंग लगा क्योंकि उसमें डॉग्स वाली कोई बात ही नहीं थी. भाई वो अब क्यों था, मैं आपको सिंपल भाषा में समझाती हूँ. Tricky had come from a rich family, Mrs. Pumphrey's family, and साफ से बोलूँ तो मिसेस पम्फ्री के गोदी में से निकल के आया था. उसको इतने लाड प्यार से रखा था. He did not live like a dog. He was feeding on Horlicks and cod liver oil and malt and cakes and chocolates. These are the things that a human child would eat, not a dog. So his life was not like a dog. And such things, such attributes were visible from maybe his smell or his dress or his clothes or whatsoever, and the other dogs could sense it immediately. They did not find him worthy like a dog. उन्हें वो लगा ही नहीं कि कुत्ते जैसा, कुत्ता कहलाने के भी वो काबिल था. मैं सीधी सी बात बोलूँ तो उसको दूसरे डॉग्स ने एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करा. ये कोई चीज़ है, ये कोई डॉग है, ऐसा सोच के उन्होंने उसको इग्नोर किया और वो आगे चले गए. What happened when the author reached the surgery? You have to tell this. Why do you think the dogs found Tricky uninteresting? I've just now explained. I made up a bed for him in warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Now in this paragraph 3 days advancement is told. First of all, he makes a bed for Tricky in a simple warm loose box. Does he use any of the beddings or the cushions or those bowls or something what was given to him? No, he uses nothing. Simple उसने गद्दा बनाया जैसे बाकी डॉग्स का था. 2 days he kept an eye. बस उसका ध्यान रखा कि वो ज़्यादा बीमार ना हो. Giving him no food but only water. पानी से वो जिंदा रहा कि उसकी बॉडी को डिहाइड्रेशन ना हो, क्योंकि उसको बहुत ज़्यादा वॉमिटिंग आ चुकी थी और शायद अभी भी आ रही थी. एट द एंड ऑफ द सेकेंड डे ही स्टार्टेड टू शो सम इंटरेस्ट इन हिज सराउंडिंग्स. 2 दिनों के बाद ही गॉट अप. उसने थोड़ा थोड़ा अपने आसपास की चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट लिया, थोड़ा सूंघा, थोड़ा देखा. मतलब ही वॉज कमिंग बैक टू हिज सेंसेस. पहले तो वो वॉमिटिंग्स कर करके पागल हुआ था, अब वो थोड़ा नॉर्मल होना शुरू हुआ. एंड ऑन थर्ड डे ही बिगैन टू विम्पर. थोड़ा थोड़ा उसकी आवाज़ें भी निकलनी शुरू हुई. 3 दिन लग गए उसको नॉर्मल होते हुए. लेकिन नॉर्मल होने के लिए पहली चीज़ क्या थी? ही वॉज गिवन नो फूड, ही वॉज गिवन ओनली वाटर. सो दिस वॉज द थिंग दैट वॉज डन टू हिम. हाउ डिड द मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट बिगिन? अभी अभी इसी पैराग्राफ में आई हैव टोल्ड यू. व्हेन आई ओपन द डोर ट्रिकी ट्रॉटेड आउट एंड वॉज इमीडिएटली एनगल्फ्ड बाय जो. अब देखो तीसरे दिन जब उसकी थोड़ी आवाज़ आई तो उसने दरवाज़ा खोला so that he comes out and he tries to move around. Now there was a big dog called Joe and he was a greyhound and he had his friends also. Engulfed का मतलब होता है कवर कर लिया उसको. जैसे अब ट्रिकी वॉज स्मॉल, ग्रेहाउंड बड़ा था, तो उसने ऐसे आके उसके आगे आया जैसे ट्रिकी पूरा उसने ट्रिकी को पूरा कवर कर लिया, सब तरफ से घेरा डाल लिया एक तरह से. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, now what did they do? They rolled him. उसको थोड़ा मुंह मार के या धक्का मार के या पैर मार के उसको थोड़ा उलट पुलट कराया और उसके बाद उसको पूरी तरह से चेक करा. Why to inspect the small dog? To know कि वो कितना खतरनाक है. To judge the danger from that possible danger from that dog. So they inspect him and after that they must have found Tricky is harmless. उसको तो उसमें तो डॉग वाली कोई हैबिट है ही नहीं. तो व्हेन दे रियलाइज दैट ट्रिकी वाज अ हार्मलेस डॉग, दे मूव्ड ऑफ डाउन द गार्डन. बाहर चले गए गार्डन में. दे वेंट ऑफ टू रन एंड प्ले. Tricky also followed them. By now, Tricky and the other dogs, they had got some friendship done. थोड़ा सा पहले शायद झगड़ा वगैरह कुछ हुआ होगा, थोड़ा बहुत, but not much. But they found Tricky so, harmless. So they called him to play. Rolling slightly with his surplus flat. अब वो जब दौड़ता था तो उसकी fat, because of the fat, he used to tilt on one side. Because he was fat than his body. He should be. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. Now, in the evening, Tristan must be their servant, and he was filling liquid food into their bowls. While Tristan slopped food into the bowls, there was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high speed eating. All the dogs rushed, and they quickly ate, and when dogs ate something liquid from the bowls, they have a licking sound. बहुत आवाज आती है खड़प खड़प करके. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. All the dogs knew that if they had to eat food, they had to be quick. अगर वो जल्दी जल्दी नहीं खाएंगे तो दूसरे कुत्ते उनका खाना खा जाएंगे. इसलिए वो बड़ी जल्दी जल्दी खाना खाते थे और ख़त्म कर देते थे फटाफट. बट क्या ट्रिकी को ये काम आता था? कुछ सोच के देखिए. नो. From where he had come, he was the only dog in the whole family. And there was no competition for food. Food was always more than what he would required. So whether he would eat slowly or he would eat fast, he always had plenty. He was already suffering from the problem of plenty. So this was the thing. So let's see. The themes I have written. Gentle treatment given to him, you can see. Even the doctor was very gentle to Tricky. There was no harsh treatment given. Even the doctor's dogs also, they behaved well enough. Doctor's wisdom, you see, he did not give medicines. He just fed them on water for 3 days, gave him no special care, no special medication. He just gave him a normal life of an ordinary dog, and that was enough to bring him back to his senses. Then problem of plenty. Because of the problem of plenty, he had not learned to behave like a dog or fight for food or know what is hunger. He did not know. That is why he was already in the problem. So this point you can add. Last question. What do you notice about animal behavior in this part of story? क्या पता लगता है animals के बारे में? ये पता लगता है कि in animals also, if there's a new entrant in the group, they find out the harms and the strengths of that person. If they find him harmless, only then they welcome him and they allow him to join in and to play with him, and they permit a kind of, you can say, formal friendly relationship. So we notice that. Then we see that after that they move properly. Then they were adjusting so well for food, and food is always a priority, especially for dogs. They would eat quickly so that they do not have to compete for the food later on. This is about animal behavior. Next. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Now see, very beautifully this thing is written. After every dog finished, Tricky did not know that he will have to fight for food. So Tricky that day also could not eat anything. तीसरे दिन भी उसे खाना नहीं मिला क्योंकि वो खाने के लिए लड़ ही नहीं सका. तो लेकिन जब खाने खत्म हो गया, bowls were shining because they were licked properly by the dogs. He licked the bowls and he licked casually. Casually मतलब उसको भूख कभी भी नहीं लगी थी. वो पीछे से इतना खाना खा के आया था कि 3 दिन भूखा रहने के बाद भी उसको भूख नहीं थी. नेक्स्ट डे जब उसको एक एक्स्ट्रा बोल दिया गया दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ, तब उसको भूख थी. एंड डॉक्टर फाउंड इट वेरी नेचुरल एंड प्लेजेंट साइट टू सी ट्रिकी जॉसलिंग हिज वे टूवर्ड्स इट. जॉसलिंग मतलब धक्के मार मार के अपना खाना पाने के लिए. जब ट्रिकी धक्को धक्की हो रहा था, डॉक्टर को ये देख के खुशी हुई. अब इसमें कुछ नेगेटिव नहीं है, इसमें पॉजिटिव है. दिस वॉज द बेसिक ट्रेट that he wanted him to be able to fight for himself. He wanted him to be able to behave like a dog should, and that gave the doctor pleasure. Tricky's behavior changed. Can you see the changes in Tricky's behavior? Now he could jostle for his food, and now in the other paragraph you will see more things that show his behavior has changed. Signs of improvement are now going to begin. and he is going to come down to the natural behavior, the instinctive behavior of a dog. So what will that be? From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind. तो सर्जरी तो हुई नहीं, ना मेडिसिनल ट्रीटमेंट हुआ, बट ऑल डे ही रैन अबाउट विद द डॉग्स, भागा, ज्वाइनिंग इन देयर फ्रेंडली स्क्रिमेजेस. स्क्रिमेजेस ऑफ फाइट, थोड़ा बहुत उलड़ बुलड़ भी पड़ते थे, उसमें भी वो ज्वाइन करता था. ही डिस्कवर्ड द जॉयज ऑफ बीइंग बोल्ड ओवर, ट्रैम्प्ड ऑन, स्क्वाश्ड एवरी फ्यू मिनट्स. उसको मज़ा आता था कुत्तों के साथ कुत्तों की तरह खेल के. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. तो ट्रिकी पूरा डॉग्स वाली लाइफ को ही वॉज एंजॉइंग. वो चूहे पकड़ता था, खाना खाने के टाइम वो खाना करता था. ये लाइन आपको बता देती हूँ एक बारी. एक्सेप्टेड मेंबर ऑफ द गैंग बन चुका था. गैंग कौन सा? डॉग्स की गैंग की बात हो रही है. अनलाइकली था वो देखने में कि इन कुत्तों के अंदर एक ऐसा डॉग जो कि कुत्तों जैसा नहीं लगता था, क्योंकि सिल्की सी बॉडी थी उसकी, छोटा उसका साइज था, पैम्पर्ड सा डॉग था. बेसिकली आई थिंक ट्रिकी शुड हैव बीन अ लैप डॉग. लैप डॉग होता है वो छोटे छोटे प्यारे प्यारे कुत्ते जो गोदियों में रख के घूमती हैं अमीर औरतें, खास करके इंग्लैंड में. तो ट्रिकी ऐसा वाला कुत्ता था जो कि बड़े बड़े ग्रे हाउंड्स के साथ मैच नहीं होता था, बट था तो वो कुत्ता ही. सो ही यूज टू जेल वेल इन देयर ग्रुप एंड देन ही यूज टू फाइट लाइक अ टाइगर. वो छोटा सा था, वो देखने में यकीन नहीं होता था, पर वो ही यूज टू फाइट लाइक अ टाइगर. उसने ये फाइटिंग लाइक अ टाइगर कहाँ से सीखा? उन ग्रे हाउंड्स से सीखा. तो चूहे पकड़ना भी उसने सीख लिया. तो पूरी डॉग्स वाली उसने नेचुरल बिहेवियर उसने सीखा. देन ऑल द वाइल मिसेस पम्फ्रे हवर्ड एंशियसली इन द बैकग्राउंड. लेकिन ये सब तो जो उसके घर में हो रहा था पीछे बैकग्राउंड में. एवरी डे मिसेस पम्फ्रे यूज टू कॉल रिपीटेडली, रिंगिंग अ डजन टाइम्स ऑफ द डे for the latest bulletins, and she wanted the latest news about Tricky's health. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. अब यहाँ दो तीन बातें जानने वाली हैं. पीछे हर रोज़ मिसेस पम्फ्रे के दिन में हज़ारों बारी फ़ोन आते थे, और वो पूछती क्या थी कि उसके कुशन्स ठीक चेंज हो रहे हैं, उसके कोट्स मौसम के हिसाब से पहनाए जा रहे हैं, ये पूछती थी. अब ऐसे क्वेश्चंस, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, वुड द डॉक्टर लाइक टू आंसर? नो. ही वॉज वरीड अबाउट ट्रिकीज हेल्थ एंड ही was not here to give Tricky a VIP, a special kind of treatment, because he wanted Tricky to live the life of a dog, not the life of a prince. He was not a human prince, he was a dog actually. And because of that concern of the doctor only, Tricky was improving his health. इसी वजह से उसकी हेल्थ इंप्रूव भी हुई थी. सो ही डिड नॉट वांट टू आंसर सच क्वेश्चंस, सो ही डॉज्ड दीज क्वेश्चंस. वो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को अवॉइड ही करता था. लेकिन एंड में उसने बता दिया कि ट्रिकी वॉज आउट ऑफ डेंजर, वन थिंग, और ही वॉज कन्वेलेसिंग रैपिडली, कि वो अपनी हेल्थ से, बीमारी से रिकवर कर रहा है. ठीक है, ठीक हो रहा है. अब कन्वेलेसिंग वर्ड जब यूज़ हुआ तो मिसेस पम्फ्री को लगा हाय हाय मेरा डॉगी, वो बेचारा तो पता नहीं कितनी बड़ी बीमारी में था, वो बीमारी से ठीक हो रहा है. अब जब हम कभी हॉस्पिटल में जाते हैं ना, जो इंसान ऑपरेशन के बाद ठीक हो रहा होता है, हम उसके लिए क्या लेके जाते हैं? हम उसके लिए सप्लीमेंट्स लेके जाते हैं, फ्रूट्स लेके जाते हैं, जूसेस लेके जाते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें लेके जाते हैं ताकत वाली. इसी को सोचते हुए मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने भी ताकत वाली चीज़ें डॉग ट्रिकी के लिए भेजनी शुरू कर दी. पहले हम लेट्स सी देयर वर्ड्स. प्लेंटी, प्रॉब्लम प्लेंटी आपने देखी कि मिसेस पम्फ्रे इज वरीड अबाउट ट्रिकीज ड्रेसेस, क्योंकि शी हैज़ सो मेनी. उनको लगता है कि दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ट्रिकीज हेल्थ. As a doctor, he worked on the basics. He reduced Tricky's fat. He got his food digested by keeping him hungry for 3 days. So this is the wisdom of a doctor. Mrs. Pumphrey loved Tricky so much that he kept on asking repetitive questions about Tricky's health. He was so worried, he was so concerned. Next, a word convalescing. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. जैसे ही word convalescing बोला, मिसेस पम्फ्रे को लगा हाय मेरा डॉगी तो बस मर चला था, वो बेचारा पता नहीं कैसे ज़िंदगी वापस उसकी आई है. तो उन्होंने she started to bring ground fresh eggs भेजने शुरू कर दिए. 2 dozen at a time, 12 अंडे एक्स्ट्रा भेजने शुरू कर दिए छोटे से ट्रिकी के लिए. और सिर्फ इतना नहीं, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. अब पहले तो सिर्फ 2 अंडे ही वो लोग फालतू, अब खाए किसने वो अंडे? ट्रिकी को तो देने नहीं थे, उसको तो सिंपल डाइट देनी थी। तो ये जो 2 एग्स फालतू के आ रहे थे, ये किसने खाने शुरू किए? डॉक्टर और डॉक्टर के पार्टनर्स ने, जो वहाँ पे और लोग रहते थे। एंड धीरे धीरे बॉटल ऑफ वाइन भी आने लग गई। द रियल पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ द सिचुएशन बिगैन टू डॉन ऑन द हाउसहोल्ड। तो सभी को ये समझ में आने लग गया कि ऐसे अमीर घर के कुत्ते को घर पे लाने का क्या फ़ायदा हो सकता है। सभी ने ये चीज़ें सोची और समझी। नाउ क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ यूजिंग द वर्ड कॉन्वेलेसिंग फॉर ट्रिकी? जैसे उसने कॉन्वेलेसिंग वर्ड बोला तो क्या हुआ? 2 चीज़ें, एग्स ऐड हो गए, सेकंड वाइन ऐड हो गई। दिस यू विल एलैबोरेट फ्रॉम दिस पैराग्राफ. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Now Mrs. Pumphrey was thinking that these things are going to thicken his blood, give him good nutrition. But now हुआ क्या? Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Whose lunch? This was doctor's lunch. So doctor's lunch became a special meal. There were 2 glasses of wine before lunch, too many glasses of wine during lunch. So he enjoyed all those things that were sent for Tricky. How did the author benefit from Tricky's ailment? We have written ailment means bimari. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. Constitution मतलब होता है जनरल हेल्थ. ट्रिकी के जनरल हेल्थ को बेटर करने के लिए अब मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने ब्रांडी भी भेज दी. फॉर अ फ्यू नाइट्स द फाइन स्पिरिट मीन्स ब्रांडी वॉज रोल्ड अराउंड, inhaled and reverently drunk. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. तो वो दिन बहुत अच्छे थे क्योंकि उन दिनों में डॉक्टर और डॉक्टर के पार्टनर्स को क्या मिलता था? एग्स, वाइन एंड ब्रांडी. तो ब्रेकफास्ट में वो एक्स्ट्रा एग लेते थे, लंच में वाइन लेते थे और रात को आग के आसपास घूमते थे, गाने गाते थे और ब्रांडी पीते थे. तो ये जो सारी हैवी टू डाइजेस्ट और हैवी टू बूस्ट एनर्जी चीज़ें मिलती थी, दे यूज टू बी सेंट फॉर ट्रिकी, बट ही यूज टू कंज्यूम देम डॉक्टर एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स. So this was how the author benefited from Tricky's ailment. Okay. Now character. Mrs. Pumphrey was a spendthrift woman. बहुत खर्चीली थी, उनकी habits waste पैसा करने वाली थी. Her adoration for Tricky triggered by the word convalescing. जैसे उन्होंने word convalescing सुना तो उनका प्यार उमड़ पड़ा और उनके खर्चे भी उमड़ गए. She assumed some serious ailment. उनको लगा कि ट्रिकी पता नहीं कौन सी बीमारी से लड़ रहा है, कौन सा ट्रीटमेंट झेल रहा है. She began supplying powerful supplements. इन सभी चीज़ों को मैंने supplements कहा है क्योंकि ये बूस्ट करते हैं एनर्जी लेवल्स को. She was blinded by Tricky's endearment. Endearment होता है प्यार. वो ट्रिकी के प्यार में ब्लाइंड थी. Still could not keep herself from overfeeding him. और अभी भी ड्यूरिंग ट्रीटमेंट ऑल्सो, जबकि डॉक्टर ने कहा था कि उसको ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा खाना नहीं देना, शी कुड नॉट कंट्रोल. नाउ आई आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. डू यू थिंक इफ डॉक्टर वुड हैव लेफ्ट ट्रिकी at Mrs. Pumphrey's place only and he would have given just visits, would he have been able to treat Tricky? Answer is no. Doctor's decision of bringing Tricky to his home was perfectly right. अगर वो डॉक्टर के घर तक इतना कुछ पहुंचा सकती हैं तो आप सोचिए ट्रिकी को अपने पास रखे वो क्या कुछ ज़बरदस्ती उसको खिलाती होंगी. इसी वजह से ट्रिकी बीमार होता था. ब्लाइंडेड बाय ट्रिकीज एंडियरमेंट, अगेन एक पॉइंट है, लव का प्यार था पर बहुत ज़्यादा था, उसको नुकसान कर रहा था. नाउ डॉक्टर का एक कैरेक्टर हमारे पास आता है. डॉक्टर एंगेज्ड इन हार्मलेस फन. अब ये फन है, ये मजाक है और ये हार्मलेस से किसी का नुकसान नहीं हो रहा. Mrs. Pumphrey could not understand that she should not be spending money or she should not be, spoiling Tricky's health by overfeeding him like this. She did not understand. So ठीक है ना, if she doesn't understand, whatever she was sending for Tricky was consumed by the doctor. It's all right. When this fun and it's harmless, it's all right. Problem of plenty. The problem of plenty that was a problem for Tricky was put to use by the doctor. ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है। उसकी प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्लेंटी को यूटिलाइज कैसे किया पॉजिटिवली डॉक्टर ने अपने लिए। थोड़े दिन डॉक्टर ऑल्सो he enjoyed the supplies given for Tricky and he makes Tricky refrain from the supplies. उसने ट्रिकी को सप्लाई से रोक दिया ताकि वो ठीक हो जाए और उसकी ये सारी की सारी प्लेंटीफुल चीज़ें जो थी वो खुद उसने कंज्यूम करी। थोड़ी मस्ती भी हो गई। नेक्स्ट, इट वॉज अ टेम्पटेशन टू कीप ट्रिकी ऑन एज अ परमानेंट गेस्ट। अब डेफिनेटली जब इतना मज़ा आ रहा था ट्रिकी को रख के तो डॉक्टर वुड वांट टू कीप हिम एज अ परमानेंट गेस्ट। मैं ही रख लेता हूँ हमेशा के लिए। खान पीन भी अच्छा चल रहा था। बट आई न्यू मिसेस पम्फ्रे वॉज सफरिंग। उसको पता था कि मिसेस पम्फ्रे बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हैं। एंड आफ्टर अ फोर्टनाइट, 14 दिन बाद उसे लगा कि ज़रूर मुझे उसे फ़ोन करना चाहिए एंड टेल हर दैट लिटिल डॉग हैड रिकवर्ड एंड वॉज अवेटिंग कलेक्शन, और उसे आके ले जाओ। क्वेश्चन, वाई वॉज द ऑथर टेम्प्टेड टू कीप ट्रिकी एज अ परमानेंट गेस्ट? इसका आंसर प्रीवियस पैराग्राफ में, बिकॉज वॉट ऑल ही वॉज डूइंग। Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. जैसे ही told मिसेस पम्फ्रे की ट्रिकी को आके ले जाओ, within minutes 30 feet लंबी गाड़ी आई। Gleaming मतलब shining, black metal मतलब it refers to a car, black metal, black कलर की metal की गाड़ी। Drew up फटाफट से उनके पास आके खड़ी हो गई ऑफिस के बाहर। The chauffeur means driver opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. And he says, और मेरे को दिख रहा था कि अंदर गुमी हुई सी मिसेस पम्फ्रे थी, मतलब उनकी सुध-बुध ही नहीं थी विदाउट ट्रिकी। Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. उनके हाथ अपने आगे ही क्रॉस किए हुए, एक दूसरे से बंधे हुए उनके हाथ थे। And her lips were trembling. She was very upset. वो घबराई हुई थी। Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? वो बहुत डरी हुई थी और वो पूछ रही थी कि क्या उसकी सेहत में कुछ फर्क है। Yes, he is fine. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. अब यहाँ पे दो बातें। उन्होंने मिसेस पम्फ्रे को गाड़ी में से निकलने नहीं दिया। उन्होंने बोला मैं ट्रिकी को ले आता हूँ। क्या रीज़न हो सकता है? जो मुझे लगा, नंबर वन, he did not want to see how Tricky was living. That he was not living tied with a harness, covered with coats, sitting or relaxing in the cushion, or maybe his bowls should be lined up, या maybe that he should not be running with the other dogs. उनको शायद ये सब देख के अच्छा ना लगता, तो डॉक्टर ने उनको बाहर आना ही नहीं दिया। दूसरा, he knew that Tricky is well enough, he is healthy enough to walk or rather run and jump to the car. उनको ये भी पता था। तो क्यों कोई इंसान जाए जब डॉग शुड रन एंड रीच द ओनर? तो इन दोनों रीजंस की वजह से हो सकता है उन्होंने he did not allow Mrs. Pumphrey to come out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tails waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. So he was running like usual in the middle of the dogs. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. And now see, in 2 weeks he had transformed. अब कंपेयर करो फर्स्ट पेज की जो डिस्क्रिप्शन थी और ये वाली डिस्क्रिप्शन। लाइथ मतलब फ्लेक्सिबल बॉडी, वेल बिल्ट, हार्ड मसल्ड एनिमल, मसल्स भी स्ट्रांग हो गए, जो कि पैक के साथ, ग्रुप ऑफ डॉग्स के साथ अच्छा कंपटीशन देके परफॉर्म कर रहा था। मतलब ही वॉज लाइक एनी अदर नॉर्मल एक्टिव एनर्जेटिक डॉग. Stretching out, his body could stretch. Earlier, when he used to walk, his body used to get tilted. He used to walk shakingly. But now, his chest was brushing the ground. His chest was so well built that it was against the ground. Quickly, character of Mrs. Pumphrey. She was impatient. The moment she receives the phone call, in minutes she comes to pick Tricky. She was keen to get the dog back. She was trembling, and she felt that the doctor was equally chicken-hearted. The way she was trembling, he says, "Do tell me the truth." कि मुझे सच सच बताओ। शायद उसको लगा कि डॉक्टर भी अब तक, जैसे वो दिल की कमज़ोर है, डॉक्टर भी दिल का कमज़ोर है, उसको झूठ झूठ बोल रहा है कि वो ठीक है, और वो ठीक इतना है नहीं। तो उसे लगा कि डॉक्टर भी मेरे जैसा डरपोक ही है, वो भी ट्रिक्की को इतना प्यार करता है और बेचारे ट्रिक्की से वो भी डरा हुआ है, कि उसका क्या बनेगा। तो शी थॉट कि डॉक्टर भी ऐसा ही होगा, तो इसलिए उसने बोला कि सच्ची बता दे कि क्या वो ठीक है। वो इतना ज़्यादा डरी हुई थी। अब शी ट्रैम्बल्स इन ट्रिकी इज लॉन्गिंग, ट्रिकी की याद में वो इतना घबराई हुई थी। दिस इज बिकॉज शी लव्ड हिम। विजडम ऑफ द डॉक्टर, ही क्योर्स ट्रिकी विदाउट अ मेडिसिन। तो ये उसका विजडम था। एक और समझदारी वाली बात, ही रिमेन्स हम्बल, ही डज नॉट डिस्कस मच विद द लेडी। उसने कुछ नहीं बोला, लेडी को कुछ एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया। ही डिड नॉट टेल द लेडी दैट ही was not given any medical treatment. He did not find it necessary to discuss so much, so he doesn't say anything. And doctor's harmless one we have just discussed. He is good humored. He gets tempted to continue to keep the dog, but he controls the temptation because he knows that lady needs the dog. He was courteous to the lady. He was well mannered. He understood human feelings, and he allows Tricky to go to her. Again, problem of plenty to be discussed. 30 feet car to pick Tricky back home. इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी में स्पेशली जाके, और उसी within minutes that car arrived to bring Tricky back home. All this shows the problem of plenty. I carried him back along the passage to the front door of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled ooh and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. तो ये हुआ, तो फटाफट से उन्होंने ट्रिकी को उठाया और Tricky was taken to Mrs. Pumphrey. Driver was holding the car door open, and the moment Tricky saw his mistress, he quickly jumped. He took a tremendous, बहुत बड़ी उसने छलांग मारी और फटाफट से sailed into, ऐसे हवा में जैसे उड़ के मिसेस पम्फ्रे की गोदी में चला गया। क्या आप देख सकते हैं, when Tricky came, he could barely walk. He could not even stand. He was carried in hands by the doctor, and he did not have a kick. If you remember the words. And now he was jumping, he was leaping. And उसको देखते ही मिसेस पम्फ्रे ने बोला ooh, and she had to defend herself as he swarmed over her. जैसे उसको झटके मार के उनके ऊपर को गया, तो उनको अपने आप को बचाना पड़ा कि झटके से वो उनके ऊपर मतलब कि टक्कर ना मार दे। Licking her face and barking, वो उनको बहुत प्यार कर रहा था। How does Tricky behave at the first sight of Mrs. Pumphrey? I've just given. इसमें क्या points आएंगे? He took off from the doctor's arms in a tremendous leap से लेके barking तक. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, bowls, none of which had been used. तो ये सब उसने यूज ही नहीं किया था। जब वो दोनों एक दूसरे से मिल रहे थे, doctor quickly kept all these things in the car. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears were shining in her eyes. She loved the dog so much that she was crying, and her lips were still trembling. और वो अभी भी घबराई हुई थी। उन्हें यकीन नहीं था that Tricky had recovered so much. He said, "Oh, Mr. Herriot, how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." तो उन्होंने क्या बोला कि मैं तुम्हें थैंक्स कभी नहीं कर सकती, तुमने मेरी डॉग की जान बचाई, तुमने बहुत बड़ा काम किया। और उन्होंने बोला कि तुमने ही नहीं, तुम्हारी मेडिकल साइंस ने ही कमाल किया है। अब दिस टाइटल इज टेकन फ्रॉम दिस लाइन, दिस इज अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी। Was it really a triumph of surgery? That's a question. Do you agree with what Mrs. Pumphrey said about Tricky's recovery? Do you agree with all this? Was it really a triumph of surgery? No, it was just the triumph of the doctor's wisdom actually. I'll read out these points. देखो triumph का meaning I wanted you to see. A completion of success after a lot of effort or problems. Triumph is a victorious situation where you are successful after a lot of efforts or problems. Was it that kind of a triumph? Were there a lot of problems? I think doctor barely did anything. There was nothing medical, related that he had done. He had just given him water for 3 days and no food for 3 days, and he made him behave like a dog. So yes, definitely it was triumph of his wisdom, but it was not triumph of surgery. Surgery is a medical procedure involving incisions, जिसमें cuts लगते हैं body को to remove or repair body parts. Now, character of Mrs. Pumphrey. I have covered most of these points earlier. I'll still take it. ओवरवेल्ड इन ग्रैटिट्यूड. अब एट द एंड मिसेस पंफ्रे थैंक्स की वजह से बहुत ओवरवेलम हो जाती हैं, फुल ऑफ थैंक्स हो जाती हैं. ट्रिकीज लव, रिकवरी एंड वेलबींग वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हर. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको ये 3 चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी चाहिए थी. ट्रिकी के लिए प्यार भी था, उसकी रिकवरी भी चाहिए थी, और ट्रिकी की गुड हेल्थ ऑल्सो शी वॉन्टेड. शी इज स्टिल श्योर, नाउ ऑल्सो शी इज श्योर दैट ट्रिकी अंडरवेंट अ कंप्लीट सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट. दैट इज़ वाई शी सेज ना इट्स अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी, क्योंकि उनको दिल में लगता था कि सच्ची डॉक्टर ने इसका ऑपरेशन ही करा होगा. नॉट जस्ट रिफर्बिशिंग ऑफ हैबिट्स. उन्हें ये वो सोच भी नहीं सकती थी कि ट्रिकी की सिर्फ हैबिट्स को चेंज किया गया था. शी वॉज थिंकिंग दैट इट वॉज अ सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट दैट वॉज गिवन टू द एनिमल. शी लव्ड ट्रिकी सो मच दैट ट्रिकी डज नॉट सीम टू मिस हर, but note his body language at the first sight of the lady. She too exclaims with joyful love. We are discussing love of animal and love for animal. Tricky loved Mrs. Pumphrey throughout these 14 days. It's not written that he missed home. He enjoyed being a dog, but when he finds that the lady is there, the way he behaves, note his body language, and the lady also. She is upset and she is still trembling. She's shedding tears at the joy of receiving the healthy dog back. अब ऑथर्स कैरेक्टर देखेंगे. ऑथर रिमेन्स हम्बल. ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात लगी ऑथर की. ही वॉज वेरी हम्बल. ही डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग. He did not say that he has done something or he has not done something. He is very quiet. He does not discuss much with the lady. Possibly he knows that she would never correct her behavior. He knew that her behavior was out of her blindness because of the love for dog. So he knew that she will never change. She will never find reason in being diet conscious for the dog. So he does not discuss much. He is a very wise doctor. He was successful. His client was admiring him. As a doctor, he knows the behavioral limitations of the dog as well as his owner. His wisdom is in this point. He knows what is owner's behavior. He knows where is the problem in behavior of the dog. He knew that dog's problem was he was not taught to remain hungry or to eat just what is enough. He knows that the problem of behavior of Mrs. Pumphrey was that she was not taught to be strict with whom she loves. So he understood both the psychologies of both the people. So because of this, he was a very wise doctor. He was very understanding. He's a very good human being. And as I've discussed so many times, the problem of plenty, a very beautiful point to observe. The rich woman, she is rich. She is still mistaken that it was because of her supplements that the doctor could give him a good health, or the dog could recover from surgery, and the doctor must have given all those things to the dog to recover properly. This is what she thinks even now, and that is why she is so sure that surgery was also done, और सर्जरी के बाद मेरे भेजे हुए सप्लीमेंट्स वर ऑल्सो ईटन. थैंक यू डॉक्टर कि आपने मेरा भेजा हुआ सामान ट्रिकी को अच्छी तरह खिलाया और ट्रिकी का सर्जरी भी किया कि आज वो ठीक हो गया. दिस इज वॉट शी सेज. नेक्स्ट we are discussing all the points that I have given in the previous slides. I have merged them into this question on one page. Character sketch of doctor. The doctor is firm, resolute, strong-headed, considers what is urgent as urgent. आपको याद होगा ये initial starting वाले में आया था. I have given you adjectives and content. इसको points add करके you will create them yourself. Now elaborate these points yourself. He encourages Mrs. Pumphrey, guides her at the points for this. He is not money-minded. He is keen and committed professional. He is proactive. He starts preparing for a call to treat Ricky much before that call came. प्रोएक्टिव वो लोग होते हैं जो पहले ही तैयारी करनी शुरू कर देते हैं. वो लास्ट मोमेंट की वेट नहीं करते. अगर आपको पता है आपके एग्ज़ाम्स जुलाई में होने हैं, आप आज ही सिलेबस कर लो, आज ही एक बार ही लर्न करके उसे छोड़ दो, तो आप प्रोएक्टिव माने जाओगे. ना कि कई लोग ऐसे जो कहेंगे अरे अभी याद कर भी लेंगे तो भूल ही जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. आपने अगर एक बार याद किया तो डेफिनेटली उसको रिवाइज करने में आपको कम टाइम लगेगा. यू विल बी मोर एफिशिएंट. तो प्रोएक्टिव वो लोग होते हैं जो पहले से तैयारी करते हैं. डॉक्टर वॉज अ प्रोएक्टिव डॉक्टर. How can you say that? देखो, he starts preparing for the call that he would be receiving for Ricky, and he starts preparing for that call, and he has decided that what will be the treatment that he will speak at that time. The treatment will be that Tricky needs to be taken out from home for at least 14 days. So isko still you add points and elaborate. The doctor does not impose medicines on Tricky. He engages in harmless fun. He consumes Tricky's supplies. He is good humored. He gets tempted to continue keeping Tricky, but still he controls. यहाँ पे आप सभी add करेंगे points. He was courteous to the lady. He lets Tricky jump to her. He remains humble, does not discuss much with the lady. Possibly he knows that she would never correct her behavior or find reason in being diet conscious for the dog. He engages in harmless fun. Now I'm going to give you a quick recap of what all we've done in this part. What all things were sent along with Tricky when he left for the doctor's hospital? You have to mention them. How was he welcomed by the other dogs at the doctor's place? And then what did Tricky learn at the surgery? This completes phase 2. Phase 3 will be based on a quick analysis of gathering of all the points that we have done. It is going to be really short. Most of the things we've done in phase 2. So definitely join us for phase 3 also. Don't miss that as well.